Hey, what's going on, guys? This will be my first vlog. Okay, I said blog, but I meant vlog. This is my 2011 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 liter V6. Don't worry about my mismatched wheels. Yeah, so I got it straight piped, so what we'll do, get a little startup going. If my key wasn't dead. There we go. So this is the interior here. Now this blue shit here was there when I bought it. Not really a big fan of it, but I went ahead and left it anyways. Yes, it is automatic, and I will explain in just a moment, but don't hate. I'm gonna go ahead and let this weird old guy pass. Checking on my ride. Let's give it a little startup. I just drove it maybe like half hour ago, so it's not cold or anything. Now the stock muffler there is actually just there's a sort of a dummy. It's not even like it's cut. The muffler's cut off. So, I don't know. So you can kind of see there. It's just literally just like a down pipe, and it's straight piped all the way down. I did just a muffler delete. See, it's not even hooked up. I just didn't want it empty there. But I did a muffler resonator delete. I want to go true dual, but I'm just holding off on that for now. Let's give it some reps. Yeah, and that's basically it. Just wanted to do a quick little video. Basically my first vlog. Start my own YouTube channel and go from there. Oh, and I was going to explain why I bought an automatic Genesis. Because I got this old pearl here. Yes, this is a 1988 Mazda RX-7 FC convertible. Oh yeah, I've taken her out a few times. Maybe I'll upload a few videos of her, but I had her sitting for the longest time, kind of neglecting her. Definitely got plans for the future. Definitely gonna stay in touch with my YouTube channel, so stay tuned and maybe you'll get to see her run again. But for now, I'm whipping the automatic gen. Alright guys, if you guys want to see more content, go ahead and subscribe, subscribe, like the video. I'm trying to get big. Help me chase my dreams.